Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. So this is the Xiaomi Mi 10T 5G, which has been launched in last year, and it was one of the best devices and affordable devices in terms of flagship level specification inside, which is going to make this device as one of the best. I have already made this box open, so this is going to be just a quick little unboxing for this particular device. So here we go. On the front of the Xiaomi Mi 10T, we have the branding, the 5G, some spec sheet, and pretty much plain on all side of the box. In the box, well, we have the card box here, which has some paperwork, I guess, and we have the SIM ejector pin here. That being said, we also see there is going to be a pretty much good offering here, a hard case which is going to be pretty minimalistic, having a Xiaomi branding here, which gives us clear indication that this is going to be absolutely amazing kind of purchase. We have some startup guide here, some warranty card, and some more startup guides, which I think most people don't read. So we put aside that for a moment, and here comes the device itself, which is wrapped in plastic, and it has written some of the main spec sheet of the device. On the front, we have a 64 megapixel AI camera. It's coming with ultra wide and macro lens, 144 hertz of adaptive display. That is going to be amazing, because I am looking forward towards that particular kind of a machine which is supporting 144 hertz of refresh rate inside. With that being said, we also have a 5000 milliamp of battery capacity inside, with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 flagship level processor inside. We'll look at that device for a moment, and let's put it aside and see what are the other box content. Inside the box, well, we have the charging cable, which is kind of a different color. It's coming with an orange kind of a look here. If you can see, if camera can zoom, we have USB to type C cable. Yeah, it's a type C cable, which is going to be pretty much good. We also have a charging brick here, which is going to be of 33 watt, and it's going to be really fast. So it's a little bit on a heavier side, but I think that it's probably going to be a 33 watt of charging speed which it will provide, and absolutely it's going to be amazing. We have also an orange kind of a USB cable here, and with that we also see a USB OTG kind of thing. Well, I think that we don't have any kind of headphone jack inside the device, which is going to be standard right now. Yes, we don't have any headphone jack here. Let's move towards the device and see what this device is going to be looking alike. So guys, the overall design is looking great. On the back, we have some interesting color here. We have two different color tone option which is coming here. We also see that there is going to be a camera bump on the back side, which is a little bit on a thicker side, but it's right now a trend. We can expect that camera sensor. On the bottom, well, we have the speaker grill, we have the noise cancellation mic, a type C port, and the SIM tray here. We are also going to see 5G antenna here on the left, and on the right side we have the fingerprint sensor, the volume up and down button, and on top we have the IR blaster, and along with that we have the other speaker as well, and the noise cancellation mic. On the front, well, we have a punch hole design, so let's quickly set it up and see what this device is going to be capable of. So guys, I have quickly set up the device, and now we have the 6.67 inch of IPS LCD panel, and top of that we are seeing a punch hole camera cutout present on the left hand of the device, and the device has bezels which are pretty much minimalistic on all the three sides. We have some kind of a chain here, but it's not negligible. We are seeing that this is going to be a clean display, although it's going to be IPS. Most of the people will not like it, but I think that this is going to be looking great in this price category. And with that being said, we are also going to see 144 hertz of refresh rate on top of that. And if we look at in the settings and see what kind of the display we have, well, we have three different refresh rate here: 144 hertz, 90 hertz, and 60 hertz. Do keep in mind that we can only select one of them, and it's not going to be dynamic. It's going to be pretty much static right now, and it will work like that. We are going to set it up on 144 hertz, so it will be buttery smooth here. We will also see that there is going to be a dark mode functionality also available here, and you can also utilize that on your machine. With that being said, we are also going to see a triple camera setup on the back side, which is going to be a 64 megapixel of a main sensor, and we have the ultra wide and macro shooter, which are pretty much basic. I have already set up its biometrics, and we have the fingerprint scanner, which is going to be physical, and it's going to be on the side in the power button. So let's test it out. So its speed is looking good. We have just pressed the button and it's just unlocked the device, so it's good in terms of that. And with that, we also have set up the Face ID, so it's also great. You can see here, we just need to place your face in front of the device and it will unlock pretty quickly. In the settings, let's see which software it's running. Basically, it's going to be running on Android 10 right now, and maybe in the future we are going to see Android 11 update from Xiaomi, and it's going to be running on Xiaomi Mi 12 stable variant, and it's going to be looking good. Right now we have 8 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage here, which is going to make this device to run better gaming here. Also, I will do some gaming reviews on my channel, so you can subscribe it and see those as well. With that being said, there is a camera app which is coming with some functionality. We have a pro mode, a video mode, photo modes, portrait mode, and some other modes are available. Night mode and 64 megapixel main sensor and some other cool stuff. I will do a quick review on the cameras. You can check out that as well. With that being said, it's going to be absolutely amazing machine in terms of gaming. You will see this device to be absolutely beast. Internally, you are going to see Snapdragon 865 chipset inside, which make this device as one of the best devices in terms of flagship and in budget. So overall, this device is looking absolutely great. We have some 5G capabilities here, some great camera sensor, although the display is looking a little bit on the lower side, but on top of that, I think that other specs are really amazing. We have Gorilla Glass 5 protection on the front. Also on the back, we have the Gorilla Glass 5 protection. There is going to be some fingerprint magnet on the back side, so you can always utilize the case which is coming alongside with that, and you can hide those in your machine. So overall, generally, I think that this device is looking pretty much good, and I think that this is going to be one of the best device if you are looking for gaming in a budget, and it will always help you out. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts. What are your opinion about the Mi 10T, and what are you are going to see in this particular machine, so I can make that video for you as well. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and thanks for watching. Peace.